Hello and welcome to another technical update with Panduit. My name is James Burns and I'm a technical systems engineer based out of Charleston, South Carolina. Today I'd like to talk to you about our partnership with Epson printers. They've brought us the MP300 and the MP100. Today we'll be covering the portable and compact MP100 solution. It's very simple and easy to use. There's only one button for power, 3 indication lights, and a simple door to insert the cartridge. To begin, let's push the power button and turn it on. Immediately, we find that the cartridge is empty and that the Bluetooth signal is looking to be paired. Now we'll go into our phones, into our Bluetooth setting, and search for the MP100. It'll pop up right away. We can connect quite simply. There we go. You can tell you're connected because the Bluetooth signal will now appear solid. Since we've been connected, it's time to pick out our cartridge. The MP100 uses Panduit cartridges up to 1 inch of continuous tape. Every cartridge has a code on the bottom, a sequence of black and white squares. This is so that the printer automatically can recognize what's inside of it so that it knows what it's printing on. Let's go ahead with black and white vinyl continuous tape. We open the door, simply insert the cartridge, and now the MP100 is ready to print. It knows what's inside, so we go into the EasyMark iLabel app that can be downloaded on the Apple or App Store. Inside the app, we have a variety of options. We can create a new label, a QR code, a barcode, that's 1D, a mix length, label catalog, we have date and time, online service, and even history. So let's go ahead and create a simple new label just to prove how easy and simplistic printing is with the MP100. I'll go ahead and type a very simple text, and as soon as I'm ready to print, I click print. The MP100 receives the signal, and just like that, you're off and running. You can see it's very clear and easy to read. The MP100 prints at 180 dots per inch and is a reliable printer in different environments. You can bring it out of the cold from your car and have it easily and automatically print right after it boots up. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out via my email or contact your local Panduit support rep, and they'll be happy to talk to you about our new partnership with Epson. Thanks again, and tune in next time for more demonstrations on all the Panduit products.